Crude oil, WTI and natural gas both stayed bullish throughout this day. As we discussed in our Asia session update, that any move above 80.4 levels, you can stay long and we can expect 81.2. Precisely it has achieved 81.2 levels and now trading at the same zone. At the same time, natural gas has also stayed bullish and achieved 2.7. Now what to expect? 2.7 definitely great resistance. 2.76 is the next, and for crude oil it is anyways staying bullish. Beyond that, certainly you can expect 82.4 plus. So we will discuss in detail, but before that, those who are new, let me share that this is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update with the Asia session definitely would have profited so far, and now we will see how to profit with the US session. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Also, you can stay tuned with the latest updates by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into oil, followed with net gas. See, net gas on the hourly chart taking the support from the 20 period moving average have started to diverge, and you can see series here, rise, retracement, rise. So possibly now moving average will look up and this may try to retrace, and hence now 80.5, 80.6, which was the resistance earlier, it is going to be the support. It is going to be a very good support indeed. It is trading outside Bollinger Bands. The bullishness getting diminished here, so possibly it could try to retrace. Also, if you look at the stochastic, this is highly overbought here. The MACD is also extremely divergent and bullish, which calls for a little bit of conversion, possibly. And yes, this is something you should watch out for. It could consolidate a bit before rising. Possibility exists for this. RSI is overbought and it is just entering into overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, we did see that it is oil is trading in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel now at around 81.5 levels. Very good resistance here. And beyond that, we can still expect it to hit 82.4 levels also. One thing to note that, see, it has consolidated enough here. If it gives a breakout, it is going to be a good massive breakout here. Hence above 82.5, just stay long. We are going 81.5, just stay long. We are going to look at 82.5, 84 and plus levels also in the near future. Moving averages trying to look upwards. See, the prices are now divergent from the moving average, and we have seen it always converging to the levels. So I will definitely watch out for 80.5 and 80 are now two important support on the downside. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI near to overbought levels. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar observation here. So this is something we should watch out for. Stochastic rising back to overbought levels, MACD crossing over, trading with divergence and bullishness, RSI is very near to the overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour charts you can note, see, trading in this bullish channel. Now at the top of this channel, somewhere at around 82 levels, I will definitely watch out for how it behaves at 81.5, and then certainly you can expect 82, 82.4 levels. That should be treated as a breakout, and then it is going to fly high. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent bullish, RSI overbought here. Coming to the daily charts here, on the daily charts, certainly the day started on a flat note, and since then we have seen it rising. You can also see the same observation what we saw on the minor time frames or 1H 2H time frames. See, it is trading in this bullish channel and forming a good bullish flag here. And also look at the crossover between the moving averages. We have seen this earlier many a time. See, 20, 50, 20, 100, 50, 100, all of these have crossed over. These are looking upward. These are staying bullish. Prices are too much divergent from the moving average. What it will try to do, it could achieve higher levels and then consolidate and retrace here. So on the downside, now the support levels are little far below at 77. We have seen prices stretching on the upside. It could come down later, but right now it is staying bullish. And if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought and it is consistently trading overbought. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought. See, we have been discussing this on the daily charts. We are discussing it on our every analysis that after the consolidation divided into two, oil is either looking at these highs or a slightly lower levels, and this should definitely try to come down to this zone. Precisely, it has now achieved this zone here, and there is still room for it to continue with the rise here. And see, I have been telling this since 1970 levels that you can buy, since $70 levels that you can stay long in crude oil, and we are going to look at bullish movement here. Almost 15-20% rise has been seen already. So now for the day, you should buy at 81.5 and sell at 80.5. In between this $1, do not take any trade. On the downside, 80 is going to be the support for the day. Below that is where the bears will take over, and we can expect 79, 78 levels. On the upside, Above 81.5 you can expect 82 levels. 82.4 is what I will look forward to. Great resistance exists there, so take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, those who want to learn this art of trading should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August, 7th of August precisely. And reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out again on the same IDs for more details. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly charts crossing over here, trading with divergence bullishness. 2.7 it has achieved. 2.7 is a good milestone for net gas, and then 2.76. If it breaks past these two milestones, in fact, still not much of bullishness is left there on the upside. Trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. Yes, it has given a breakout here. I will wait for it to break out now above 2.72, where you can expect 2.76 and 2.8 levels. Stochastic near to overbought zone, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards, staying bullish here. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs are seen. I will wait and watch out for how it behaves in between 2.7 2.72. Then you can expect 2.76 is the ultimate resistance, and beyond that we are going to look at 2.8 levels. Now if you look at this formation, you can divide into two. Look at the symmetry here. So now possibly a breakout will try to take it above 2.76. This is also possible. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. Coming to 3 hour, now on the 3-hour charts, base here, and now rising, rise, retracement, and now again looking upwards. So still bullishness is there. Stochastic is rising here, looking upwards. The MACD is also, now see, interestingly, we have discussed this earlier today morning. See, the MACD here on the 3-hour charts always have been diverging and looking upwards from these levels, and now natural gas has again started to look upwards. That's a good bullish sign for natural gas. Stochastic is rising here, that's also a bullish sign. And on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see on the 4-hour charts also, you should divide into two. Look at the symmetry. See this candle, lower highs, this candle almost at same levels. Now I look forward to, if it breaks past 2.76, sky is the limit for natural gas. See, I will be looking forward to $3 levels in the month of August, and in fact it can hit $4 also. We have to be watchful here. Stochastic overbought, MACD, this is again same observation here also, it is looking upwards. RSI is also showing bullishness. Coming to the daily, now on the daily chart, see the reversal was seen here. Since then the rise, higher lows, and again trying to rise. We can look forward to 2.76 level to be breached. Beyond that we can see it flying high for 2.9 and plus levels. Right now it is trying to consolidate between the zone here. I will watch out for how it behaves at around 2.76, because beyond that certainly the bulls will take over. Taking the support from the 20 and 100 period moving average, this is a good sign for bulls there. Stochastic rising, MACD is flat here and trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI is looking upwards, indicating slight bullish. Coming to this, I will recommend you to buy now at 2.72 and sell at 2.66 for the 6 cents. Do not take a position above 2.72. You can look forward to 2.76, and then beyond that 2.8, 2.9 levels will be seen, and in fact $3 levels very soon. So yes, you can stay long about 2.76 levels. 2.72 is also good, and but specifically till 2.8 we have to remain cautious. On the downside, you can sell here at 2.66. Expect very good support till towards 2.6 levels. Below 2.6 is where the bears will take over. I do not see trading below this. It is still going to stay bullish. That is my expectation. So trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. We will catch you up again tomorrow with the Asia session update. So do watch that also. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.